How so creative, kinda crazy. I'm 9 years old, I'm still rapping, and I'm laughing that you're napping. You can judge me all you want.
Welcome to Alana Vlog, and today I'm gonna show you how to be a photographer. So this is how he taught me. So he told me to this button right here. This is where you take a picture, and you need to close one eye because this is where you can see where you can take the picture at, and then right here is the focus thing, and right here is the close-up and the close-up and the close in. So let me take a picture over there. Close it. Then it goes. I like that one. Then when I press it again, do it go to the other picture? Or when I press this?
The other way. There you go.
So this is the picture I took first, and this is the picture I took second. And then this is the picture that I took of Granddaddy. So bye bye. I will see you later. Peace in the Middle East.
It's Alana in the house, so creative, kinda crazy. I'm 9 years old, I'm still rapping, and I'm laughing that you're napping. You can just
show. This is Alana Vlog, and don't forget to follow me on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. Don't forget Past, Present, Future Show, Next Generation to Generation Podcast, and this channel. I will see you guys back at the house.
in the house, so creative, kinda crazy. I'm 9 years old, I'm still rapping, and I'm laughing that you're napping. You can judge me all you want, 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 me all you want.